Stick around, it's a real magic. Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great and I'm good. If you've ever looked at a simple piece of wood and thought, how can I make this sparkle? Or wanted to capture a feeling, a memory from your childhood? What if I told you a little wooden slice holds the story of a love that started with a playful puppy and grew into something unbreakable? Today we're taking a journey. From the chaotic joy of a new puppy love of a girl and a boy, matures into a bond so strong that build a life together. It deserves its own piece of art. We're crafting a resin masterpiece that tells that story. You'll see my entire process, from picking the wooden boat to the secret finishing touch that makes it pop. Honestly, life got a whole lot brighter and messier. I wanted to capture that feelings of childhood love, that pure, unadulterated joy. And I found this gorgeous oak slice of boat at a local craft fair. It had this beautiful grain, kind of like little trails, I also found a little lovely couple statue and a set of matured couple from Amazon. Yes, we can also mold these type of statues with clay or resin. But this time, I have taken all these items ready-made, which are perfect to showcase a journey. I hope this inspires you to look at your own memories and think about how you can preserve them in art. So are you ready for this beautiful journey? Without further delay, let's get started. honestly, seeing this transformation is so rewarding. If you enjoyed watching this journey unfold and maybe got inspired to tell your own story with resin, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. And if you're struggling with getting that perfect shine on your resin projects or have a unique color combo you're dying to try, drop your biggest challenge or idea in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. The childhood love stage is so fleeting, right? We grow up so fast. I wanted something tangible, something that felt like that initial burst of happiness. So the concept was born. A resin piece that visually represents that transition from the wild energy of a new puppy love to the calm, deep bond that built over time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and crafting this story. I hope this inspires you to look at your own memories and think about how you can preserve them in art. Next week, we're tackling its second part with final look of this project. Something with third layering of resin and the gloss finished look. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep creating. Bye guys, have a wonderful day. Take care. Jai Shiv Shakti.